Pride pa rin eh. Hindi ba pwedeng...
Hindi ka pwedeng magpatalo.
And,
yung mga diskarte nito ni Moy Lopez nung NCAA talagang, kaabang-abang.
Activate pa rin yung middle. Tapos, ayan, tulad nito, inactivate niya agad yung middle niya. Narinig ako eh.
si Santos, ano?
Etong si Narciso naman, yun siguro yung resulta ng matagal na talaga sila magkakasama.
Exactly. Familiarity is the key. Perpetual help lamang po ng isa, 2-1. San Beda on the attack. Combination play. Nice rally we're witnessing here. And it's good for Mateo.
Crucial yun. Kaya sabi nga, bawat game dito, hindi katulad sa UAAP na double round.
Yes.
Tapos magkaharap pa kayo sa susunod na round.
Makadalawang dikit ka na talo. Mabigat agad yun sa chances mo.
Lalo na yung mga pag nagkaroon na ng point system.
Yes, oo. 5-3. Lamang ng dalawa ang perpetual help. Itong San Beda, wow.
Pat dyan sa court na pagka lumagpas sa balikat mo, pwede mo nang iwasan.
Alam mo, lalabas na, no? Ooh! Off that deflection, hindi na nahabol ni Mateo yun.
Nagkakatalo talaga dito sa every game naman, yung first ball nila.
Okay,
Kasi pag nakakakuha ng magandang first ball, kung sino man na team, sila yung nakakapag-set up.
Kasi nga, di ba, pag men's division, hindi normal itong nakikita natin na mahaba yung rally.
Kapag ito yung hinahanap mo. Ito na yung hinahanap mo, Chiki, na mahabang rally, pero tatapusin yan.
And he tried to save that possession, but unfortunately, nag-backfire yung pagkapit niya. He'll try again. Balik sa Perpetual, over. San Beda has a chance to cut that lead down to 3. Book does that.
Ayun nga.
Anong makaklasify mo sa sarili mo?
Ako kasi, kailangan start pa lang ng game. Pagdating ko pa, kondisyon na yung isip ko, kondisyon na yung katawan ko.
Mga bata, take that from JV Sumagaysan. Pwede ka nga, tas mahaba yung laro. Pero dito, tama ka, pupuntihin mo talaga yung nagkamali. Ooh. JC with a good receive there. Or dig rather. Here we go. Ball is still alive. Free ball. Ito na perpetual help. Set up, combination. It's good in zone 1. Ang ball mo.
Parehas 1 point.
Again, di ba? Walang 2-point shot dito. Ranger. Rejected by Mateo. Collegiate Challenge 2023. Lamang dito ang perpetual help 16-9. Bumaba ng sa 6 yan. 16-10, JB.
Pero yung atake na yun na one-on-one, yung diskarte talaga ni Narciso ang nagdadala ngayon.
Free ball, regalo! Walo na, 18-10. Clint, with a good serve.
Bumubuo na ng kalamangan talaga.
Off the block. Sabi ni Coach Oji, nandun yung blockers, diretso mo.
Huwag mong iiwas kasi wala naman yung court dun.
Oo. 12 serving 19. Babalikan ko yung sinasabi mo, si JC Narciso, hindi mo, ang hirap alamin sa yung point of attack. Almost, but not quite.
Kasi dyan mo yung term nila is malalansi.
The biggest lead here at 9 already for Perpetual Help, 21-12. They can bring it up to 10. One more time for the white shirts. And look at Narciso. Parang to stop yung momentum. JC. Good setup again.
Kailangan yung maging polido pa.
And what you want to do is to continue to apply yung pressure sa kalaban mo, di ba? Doon kung saan mo gusto pamuntahin yung bola. Kakaroon ka ng second thoughts minsan, di ba?
Parang mag-aalangan ka na.
Yes. It's a short tournament. You want to get as many W's as you can.
Pero syempre, ang iniisip pa rin ng coaches natin, parang tatay yan eh. Iniisip niya muna yung career mo. Kasi ayaw naman kitang isugal ng isugal kung magsasuffer yung career mo.
In the long run, di ba?
Tsaka ayoko yung pupunta ako ng doktor para magpa-check up.
So, ilan na to? By our count, 3, 4 points. We'll check later on, Pepito, siya nag-set ng offensiva, but good block at the net. Lamang sila 3-1. Atake ngayon ng San Beda. Net defense on point for Perpetual. Ball is still alive. JC set up again. Latag lang niya up there, and it's a feast.
Yun yung sinasabi kanina ni Coach Oji na iki mo. Kitang-kita ni Andrade yun.
It's an ace. Good serve there. Lopez with a setup combination. And that's a point for San Beda. And that's right. Dapat formidable yung pwesto mo dun. Ball still alive. Joust at the net. At nanaig dito ang Perpetual.
Off Perpetual help. Balik agad dito sa mga nakaputi.
San Beda, chance to score. They're down by 5. JC studying the floor. Rally continues. And finally, Cabalsa finding the target.
Nag-ready talaga sila ng mas maging pulido dapat yung kilos nila.
Pancake's good, but the defense is there. 5 serving 12. And JC again.
Nung last tournament nila nung NCAA.
And for sure, no, kailangan ni Coach Ariel yan. Munsing with a good serve. And Narciso setting that one up and on point again. Inihain ni JC.
Handun na eh.
Tapos,
kailangan pumuntos man sila ng isa. Dapat pupuntos kayo 2 o 3.
Diba? Para nang mag-shift yung momentum. Ayan, ito.
So ngayon, medyo mas okay naman at nagagalaw naman niya. So hindi ito fracture kasi kung fracture, hindi niya ito magagalaw eh.
Okay, maraming salamat Kate Reyes and Bisoda, diba? Coach Ariel, tinulungan siyang
hinatak eh.
Diba?
May hinatak.
I-reposition. But then again, tama si Kate. That's gonna get swollen as we go deep into the day. So, JV. 79, lamang pa rin dito ang Perpetual. Ano, in your observation, in your opinion,
attackers niya. Pero nahihirapan siya dahil hindi sila makakuha ng magandang first ball.
Perpetual, isa pa lang ang naitatala after that second technical timeout. But then again,
ibabawan yung mga Blackers. Sa taas ba naman yan tumalon eh?
18-11, maganda ito for San Beda. They're down by 6. Laro eh.
Oo, nag-iiba na yan eh. Kaya meron kaming first, mid-game, para iibahin namin yung tempo. Minsan naman, 21, 15 kami, 20. Yan ang aalamin natin kung mai-a-apply nila today.
But then again, that's an ace.
Yeah, explore kayo. Diskarte kayo ng bago para tingnan natin kung effective.
You've earned it, di ba? You've earned it. Now,
Maraming black points dahil alam natin na kung sa atake lang sa atake, matibay itong Perpetual.
3 na raw kaya ang San Beda. Ball is still alive. They got another chance here. Can they go 3 points in a row? Back to Perpetual. Back to San Beda. And we got a nice rally here. Lopez with a setup job. 3 ball again. Down by 2 yung isang team and yet umabot pa rin ng 5th set. So everything is still okay here.
1 to 25 every set. Kailangan paunahan yan mag-25. Kung makakuha man sila ng set, paunahan yan makatatlo. Yun lagi yung tatandaan.
Ngayon parang loose na, nag-enjoy. But how do you stop that?
In for Perpetual help.
JC looking again. One more try. JC will try.
Kanina pa nila pinapapalo. Kanina pa nila sinusubukan papaluin to. Si Narciso.
And Kobe, back-to-back points here.
Ano eh, wag na nating pag-usapan. 2,000 pataas na lahat.
Huwag mo nang idiin. Laban.
Nagtitinginan na lang kayo.
Yes, exactly. Okay, third set. Crucial set here for San Beda and talaga niya yung middle.
Ay kung ganyan naman yung mga middle mo eh, talagang kailanganin mo pa-atakihin. Yung mga kabat ko dito sa Perpetual eh. Sila Roniel Rosales eh. Matitibay rin. Puro slide play din yung paboritong atakihin.
Pag napansin ko, the first 2 sets natin, JD, pagdating sa gantong punto, dito kumawala yung Perpetual, di ba? Naging 10-4, 11-5. But right now, San Beda doesn't want to have that happen again. Good serve, good receive. At the net, yun lang, sobra pa rin yung pagkaka-receive. Good serve. JC with a setup. Again, 6 serving 4. You were talking about reception. Basta magandang first ball, magandang chance ang San Beda. Magsaserve for Perpetual. Attack of San Beda. Nagbunga.
Nakuha pa ng punto. Yung mga swerting puntos.
Pero si Jason, pagka tira niya, tumingin siya to make sure na
sumilip pa eh.
Mira, si Arlap, natin mga courtside natin, kaya nilang gawin yan. Depensa pa, no? 9-6, but San Beda only 3 points away. They're asking for a check ball and they get that. JC with a good serve. Kev with the first ball. And then again, hindi Kev. Ginawa niya ng paraan yun. Ganda.
Yun na yung diskarte.
Oo. Eto na. Combination. Back to Perpetual help. Ooh. Another good serve. Good first ball. Ranger. This time he will be rewarded with that point. Preno or nasa sa player yan on how you will control yourself approaching the net.
Merong training talaga.
Meron pa rin, ha?
Na kailangan yung balance mo every time natatalon ka. Kailangan yung umiwas dyan sa linya na yan para ma-prevent yung injury.
Matindi ang core exercises dyan. Rally continues. Combination again for Perpetual help. Justin Santos with a serve for San Beda. That back set. Again, kailangan na i-bend yung likod niya. Hindi mo lang kung sa harap niya bibigay o sa likod.
Wrist action lang and yung key.
And Narciso, set up job. Balik dito sa San Beda. From the back. Soft touch there. One more. Kev going to the back at walang kumuha dun sa first ball. Tamang lasa, di ba? Oh, nice. Nice decision. Jeff with a good serve. Back to Perpetual help. At the net, hindi nagkasundo, no? Sila mismo magpapakalma sa sarili nila, di ba?
Kailangan mong pakalmahin.
Isang abante ng Perpetual help. Again, JC opting to go as we continue our coverage of set number 3. 15 serving 16. Paborito. Paborito ngayon ni JC yung dinadala niya kay Kobe sa kabila. JC again at the net. Chance for San Beda to score. Ranger going cross court. Mula sa likod. Off the block and it will be a point again here.
Manalo, still 3 points pa rin.
3 points. Pero pag nag 3-2, paghahatian yan. 2 for the winner, 1 for the losing team.
Yes.
Diba? One more try. From the back, Kev. Also from the back this time. Pasok na yan.
Parang nagle-letter C
Exactly.
sa ere.
It's good for Santos. Yung na-build nilang momentum, tuloy-tuloy lang. Nabalagyan, easier said than done. Ooh, Santos sending it home. 18 serving 22. Setup job. Good net defense. One more time for San Beda. And Montemayor goes to the back and it's good. Okay, let's see. Punta nga ng gitna. Ayun na nga ginawa. But good read by Montemayor. And Roos. Back to Perpetual help. Montemayor again. And that's gonna be a point for San Beda. That lead is down to 2. Minsan nakakabangon pa. Boom. That slide, that running hit by Rosos. Nice serve. Combination play. Going to the end. Ang hatol ng ating referee. It's for San Beda. Montemayor, good serve. Will Perpetual end it with this one? And they will. Dahil I think si Pranger hit the net again. It's 25-22. Perpetual getting it in straight sets.